How to add an Amazon affiliate link to Instagram bio. I'm going to open up Safari here, and I have logged into my account on Amazon.com. So from the website, once we have logged in, we want to click on these two A letters and request desktop website. So once we have the desktop website selected, we can choose a product that we want to promote. For example, this Razer gaming mouse. And once the product itself is open, we will click on Get Link Text. So once we click on it, it will show us an affiliate link that we've just generated, and we can copy this link here. Can just copy it. So once we have it copied, the next step is obviously opening up our Instagram, and then here you will go to edit profile and you can add the affiliate link right here. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.